A Chinese envoy on Monday told the UN Human Rights Council that a democratic and equitable international order is essential to the promotion and protection of human rights. Chen Xiu, head of the Chinese mission to UN at Geneva, made such remarks at the interactive dialogue with the UN independent expert on the promotion of a democratic and equitable international order.
I have the honor to speak on behalf of a group of countries. A democratic and equitable international order is essential to the promotion and protection of human rights. All parties should practice true multilateralism and make the international order more just and equitable. To this end, we should first promote fairness and justice, firmly uphold the UN-centered international system and the international order underpinned by international law. Second, pursue win-win cooperation, conduct dialogue and cooperation on the basis of equality and mutual respect. Third, remain open and inclusive, respect the diversity of civilizations and the development paths independently chosen by countries, and refrain from imposing one's own social system and model to others. We need to join hands in defending the common values of humanity, namely peace, development, equality, justice, democracy, and freedom, promoting and protecting human rights and building a community with a shared future for human beings.